Good morning, children. Last class we solved the problems on exercise 4.2 as well as 4.3. Afterwards, in this chapter, the one more last exercise, that is a non-verbal problems they are having. So therefore, in which now I am going to be explained by one thing it is. Here the first question is find the two consecutive even numbers whose sum is 18. See the two consecutive even numbers. Consecutive means one by one after the another number. Especially they considered as even number. Then their sum is equal to 18. So therefore, which are the even numbers? So therefore, solution for that, the difference between two consecutive even number is the solution for this the find the two consecutive even numbers whose sum is 18. The difference between the two consecutive even number is 2. First even number is we call it as x. Second even number we call it as 2x. Therefore, sum of these two numbers is equal to 18. So the equation will become x plus 2x is equal to 18. So the both are like term and like sign. Add them. Therefore, x plus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 18. Now I want x. Therefore, x is equal to 18 by 3 cross multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 8. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. Therefore, the numbers are x and 2x. Therefore, the x value is equal to 6 and 2x value is equal to I think it is. So the 2x is equal to 2 6 the 12 it is. Am I right? So therefore, the numbers are 6 and 12. So the second example is divide the 96 into two parts such that half of the one part is equal to half of the another part. The solution for this, so let us consider the one part is x and then another part is 96 minus x, and half of the one part is equal to other part. Therefore, the equation will become, so the x by 2, one part is equal to another part, it is 96 minus x. So take the cross multiplication. So the x is equal to 2 into 96 minus x, that is equal to 96 to the 192. 192 minus 2x, that is x is equal to. Now I want to shift the minus 2x towards the LHS side. So x plus 2x is equal to 192. Therefore, these are like term like sign. So therefore, add them. So 3x is equal to 192. Therefore, x is equal to 192 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 the. So the 1 remaining. So the 12 will become 12. So the 4. So the 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 64. And this is a one part. And another part is 96. And 96 minus x is equal to how much it is? So I think it become 96 minus 64 is equal to 32. So therefore the two values, so 64 and 32. So anyhow this doubt on these problems, please ask the questions. Am I right? Yes. Yes. The third the example is like this. Tanuja is 4 times as old as his son. After the 16 years, he will twice as old as his son. Find his son's present age. Therefore, solution for this. So the Tanuja's son's present age. Tanuja's son's present is is X years. And Tanuja present age is 4 times after his son. 4 times of his son. That is equal to 4x. Therefore, his son 4x years. After the 16 years. After 16 years. So the age of the Tanuja sons. So Tanuja sons age, that is equal is x plus 16 years. And Tanuja is now 4x plus 16 years. Therefore, the Tanuja is now is equal to 2 times of his son's age. Therefore, the equation will become 4x plus 16 is equal to 2 into x plus 16. Now I would like to simplify. So this is a binomial. Here in the RHS, constant into binomial. Therefore 4x plus 16 is equal to 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Now I want to shift the 2x towards RHS LHS side. 4x minus 2x, that is equal to 32 plus 16 become minus 16. Therefore here like term but unlike sign they are having. Therefore it will simplification of these two terms become 2x, that is equal to, here also the constant they are having the different unlike signs, they are having the different sign. Here positive is there, negative is there. Therefore it become 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are, which implies x value is equal to value of x is equal to 8 years. Value of x is equal to 8 years. Therefore Tanuja son's age is, therefore Tanuja son's age is equal to 8 years. And after the 16 years, the same Tanuja son's age is, it become so therefore 24 years. So in this way we are going to be calculate age of the Tanuja and his sons. If you have any doubts, very simple and easy to solve. So as and when if you are going to be understanding the problems on the proper sense, then it will help you in the solving the like this of the steps and problems. If you have any doubts, go through the exercise 4.4. So many problems is there. So the solve as your level best. And I also having so many problems. So please try to the getting up a good solution. And if you have the confusion or any kind of the doubt, please come and ask the questions. So now the simple equation chapter is going to be completed. Only one thing is the more problems and their solutions. The only one thing is remaining. Along with that, the giving up of notes, it is also one of the pending work is there. So that tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will send everything. So therefore, take care. Bye bye.